Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to downgrade Spotify version and disable auto updates. If you're using Spotify and you want to downgrade your Spotify version or disable auto updates, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you have to open your settings app. In settings, go for apps section. In apps, you must have to look for Spotify app. Once you have that, just tap on it. And here you'll get the version option. And it may be here or here. You must have to look for version, and here you have to note your version of Spotify. Here's 9.0.7.1116. So once you have noted, you must have to uninstall Spotify. Once you have uninstalled, just open your Chrome app, and here simply search for Spotify. Once you have that, you must have to look for up to down Spotify download center. So you must have to add in your search Spotify download and up to down. Just search for that, and here tap on the first website, and here you must have to tap on older versions, and you will get different versions here. You can see there is 9.0.78 and there's a lot of different versions. You must have to select the lower version which you want to download. As for example, I'm going to download this one. Just tap on it, and from here you can easily download that. Just tap on download option, then tap on download. Anyway, once you have, your download will be started. You must have to install that app. Simply tap on it, then tap on package installer, and here if you have blocked, just go for settings and allow permission, then tap on install. You just have to wait for its installing. After installation, just tap on open, and the app will be open. Just enable allow permission, and here just tap on accept, then tap on accept and download now, then tap on install option, then tap on accept. So here you can see this app is not compatible, so you must have to look for any other version of your Spotify. So just simply search for Spotify download here. Once you have that, just open any website from here. For example, I'm going to download it with this website. Just tap on it, and from here you must have to select downgrade version of Spotify. Then tap on download APK. Before downloading, you have to check that in the app versions. So after, you must have to wait for its downloading. When the download has been completed, simply tap on it, then tap on install, and here you must have to install this app. Now you have successfully installed the downgrade or lower version of Spotify. Once you have that, you must have to open your Play Store app. Here, go for search and search for Spotify. Here, you just have to tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and here you will get enable auto update. You must have to disable that. Now you have successfully install downgrade Spotify version and disable auto update in your app. You can see there is update option, but now it will not automatically update. Now you can easily use the downgraded version of your Spotify. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.